Okay, so in a build like this, people would say, why do you put RGB lights in a computer case that has no window? In this Corsair 200R case, there really isn't a window, but it's got some vent holes in it. So, I'm giving a little bit of a video on this to show you the elements of this Corsair 200R build that I basically rebuilt from an old computer back in, that was a friend's computer. However, some of the parts I had to send out for, particularly the motherboard, which is a remanufactured motherboard to the original motherboard that came in. So, showing the computer it is, I'll give a little bit of a lighting demonstration. In this particular case, this motherboard is the old Asus PAB75V, which is a LGA 1155 motherboard, which has got the i5-3470 processor in it. It's got the Cooler Master, not the Cooler Master. This has got the thermal tank air cooler in it, which has the Corsair ML120 Pro RGBs, along with a couple of them on top of this Corsair 200R case. And over here, you have, in the rear, the SP120 Pro, and hiding in the front behind these vents are also two SP120 Pro fans. These are all set at the same mode, so pretty interesting setup. Besides that, you have a couple of the Corsair RGB strips. There's 4 of them in here, all controlled by the Corsair Commander Pro, which I had laying around. And the fans themselves are being controlled behind the 5 1/4 drive caddy. Behind it, you have the RGB fan hub. Now I tried to install the Node Core, but it would not work. It would not connect to the USB ports in the Commander Pro. But it's a pretty interesting setup, and pretty much this case is mostly Corsair parts in it, except for the motherboard, the RAM, and of course the graphics card. But yeah, you have the RM650X. This is just basically a backup to my main computer, just for show and gigs. And why not? I might. This basically will be used for if I have to upload any old video from my VCR, which I haven't installed the TV tuner card from the main computer yet. I will do that once I get the Elgato capture card, which I'm going to install on my main rig, which is right over here, which I don't have on right now. And that's about it.